Broken early promise, put trust in an unknown, fell headlong into the arms of the first that stirred me, unsteady to steady heart, and took me to a place I've never been, a place I've never been since. Stopped hoping at an early age, stopped guessing at an early age, start accepting things from day one, and then things can't go too wrong. Just let them walk all over you, laugh through the punches and the pain, let the lifeblood drain away from you. They're right, you're wrong.
street, free milk for us all. It was the right place to be sure. Those dreaming spires and yeah, oh so pastoral. But let's hope it's not just luck and strange. A one-off, peaceful, golden age. That's a dark thought in the dark. And that fat old sun in the sky is falling. Summer evening birds are calling. Summer Sunday and a year, sound of music in my ears. Distant bells, new mown grass smells so sweet. By the river, holding hands, roll me up and lay me down. And if you see, don't make a sound. Pick your feet up off the ground. And if you hear, as the warm night falls, a silver sound in a tall